Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine Beginner's Guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your case tracking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading. Okay, so you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then case tracking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. All right, guys, let's do this affiliate giveaway builder review. So we are on the sales page now, and you can see it says turn cold traffic into hungry buyers before they ever even see your link. Affiliate giveaway builder. Stop sending cold traffic to affiliate offers. Turn every click into a pre-sold buyer first in minutes, not hours. Okay, I'll explain the concept behind this. So, for example, you don't know me, I don't know you. So you send me an email, I send you an email, we both delete it. I guess so, right? You don't know me, I don't know you, we delete the emails. Bye bye. So this is what happens in marketing. You have to actually build relation. Relation means that at least something, you're giving away something. So whether you send me an email or I send you an email, it has to be first of all engaging. That why should you open that email? Why should you read it? Or why should I read your email? And then inside the email, there should be some, like call to action that take this action, open the PDF, click here, click there. So this is how the sales comes in online marketing. Okay, you just can't expect people to open your affiliate link randomly and just start buying from you. Okay, they might buy the same product. They might buy the same product from somebody else. Do you understand? So let's say I am saying go and buy from me. And if you know me or if you like my video, then you will go buy from me. Whereas you might have, got the email from somebody else in the past or, just few minutes ago. So maybe you got email from somebody else half an hour ago, but then you're trying to see the review on YouTube and you found my video. And if you like me, then you will buy from me instead of from that email. You got the point now? So you got to have some input in your marketing strategy. So this is how this works. You can get clicks, but you can't get sales if you do not personalize. Okay, so that's the concept behind affiliate marketing. Now, what this affiliate giver builder claims to do, I'll talk about that. But first of all, if you want to come to the sales page, for now you can see my links are pending. So my links are not approved yet, but hopefully by the time this is launching on 6th of June, I guess, so you might find a link below my YouTube video where it will be saying grab affiliate giveaway builder copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page where you can come and check out. Okay, and also below my video you have this link. It says check out all my Warrior Plus products. So if you want to go and check out my products on Warrior Plus, click here and then check out these products. So far I have not launched many, but I will be launching AI products in the coming future. Okay, for now this review to profit AI is launching on 5th of June. Okay, so go and check out this review to profit AI. It's very awesome product launching on 5th of June. Okay, so go and check out my products if you want below the link, or you might find the copy of this affiliate giveaway builder. Now let's come back here. So the problem isn't your offer. I have explained the problem. I have explained you the solution. Okay. So what this is claiming to do is it's saying that you first of all have to identify the problem of the reader. You're going to send the email to somebody and you're going to promote an offer. So you have to scan that offer, the sales page of the offer, and pinpoint what problem does that offer solves for the customer. Okay, and according to that problem of that product which it solves, you are going to generate a report using AI, and then you send that report to the person to add some value into your offer. And then when they read that report, they engage with you and they build some maybe trust with you or on you, and then they can end up buying the product from you. Okay, that's the concept behind it, right? So let's see what we got here. So I guess introducing affiliate giveaway builder. So I would have been more happy if they would have added the screenshot of the dashboard of the product. Okay, so let's see how this works. So they're saying step number one is paste in the product page. So you copy the sales page. So give the GPT the sales page for the affiliate product you want to promote. That's all you need. Step number two is let it find the real pain point. So it scans the sales page, right? And it looks for the problems, frustration, and desires that would make someone interested in your product. And third is choose a focused giveaway idea. So you get quick win report ideas that are small enough. And the fourth step is generate the finished report, which can be a PDF. Okay. So I was saying that I would have been more happy if I could see these four steps. For example, this is my review to profit AI, and you can type in product name, this and that, and you can click on generate campaign once you type in everything. So I'm showing you my product dashboard. Here, I think they forgot to maybe add the screenshots of their dashboard. I don't know. Okay. Anyway, so go and grab this if you want. So you do these four steps. You go copy the sales page, paste the sales page here. Then the software will, I guess, their software will identify the problems, and then it will generate the report. And you're supposed to attach that PDF report and send that email to your potential customers, clients, so that they can read your report first, and after reading the report they can go and end up buying from you. Okay, that's the concept behind it. Warm up your email list, make a relation with them, and that's how you can expect to get sales, not from cold marketing but from warm online marketing. Okay, so they are saying it could be a report. For example, if you're skillful, for example, if you can make a video like me, you can come on the camera, or you may not come on the camera, but instead of a report you can also record a 5 minutes long video. For example, if I have to do if I have to do the same thing, using the same concept, instead of report, I will just go and record a 5 minutes long video in which I will explain I will explain everything, the problem solution. I will send that video to my audience, and they will watch my video, listen to me, build some trust. They will trust me, and they will end up buying from me. Okay, so it doesn't only have to be a report only. You could do anything. You could do video, reports, whatever you're comfortable with. Okay, so anyways, I think long story short, so if you want to get into this affiliate giveaway builder, again, my links are pending for now, but by 6th of June they should be approved. So below my YouTube video, go and click where it says grab affiliate giveaway builder copy here. Then you will come to the sales page, go and buy from me, and you will get those bonuses as well, which we discussed in the beginning. Okay, or else you can go and buy my Warrior Plus products. You can go and buy this review to profit AI, which is launching on 5th of June, and it will help you to create all the campaigns. And if you want to check the review for review to profit AI, you will find this review on my YouTube channel anyway. You can go and search for this, and you will know exactly what this does and how you can make it work. Otherwise, you can see the information on the sales page right here. This is the sales page. You click and you open. Okay, so let's talk about the OTOs, I guess. Where are they? So here are the OTOs. This is what you will be getting in front end. Okay, this is front end. I think they're saying it starts with 1020 and will raise to $17. Let me see. 1020. I don't see 1020 here. I see only 17. So be ready to pay somewhere around $10 to $17. Okay, and for the front end. And then we have this what is this affiliate OTO 1 zero cost internet marketing for 927 something. Okay, then OTO 1 is this here, affiliate giveaway builder white label license. If you want to sell this as your own software, then you get the white label. OTO 2 is AI leverage, personal one-to-one coaching. OTO 3 is downsell newsletter, stuff like that. Okay, so go and pick and choose any OTO which you need. You can go and buy, otherwise just don't buy. So go and grab this affiliate giveaway builder from my link, get my bonuses, and if you want, you can check out this review to profit AI as well. And I guess thank you for watching. Now watch the video till the end, because I'm going to discuss the methods which makes me real money using these links. So watch the video till the end. Alright guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online. And below the video, you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro. So if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is Forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try Forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number one, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay, so second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page. After that, it is Traffic Jarvis, so your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1,000 subscribers, or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos. Nothing buying, no nothing. Okay, and also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay, so if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this Traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years, as you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month reoccurring. Okay. On top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay. Whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay. If you want to try trading, then you can click the swing like a pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab Traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And as I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss shacking bonus we discussed, because kiss shacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay. So if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss shacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.